हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल स्टडी विद माय क्लासेस। आज हम पढ़ेंगे सोशल साइंस क्लास 8 की चैप्टर नंबर 1। आज हम इसके करेंगे क्वेश्चन आंसर। तो बिना कोई देरी करिए चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। चैप्टर नंबर 1 है बिगिनिंग ऑफ द मॉडर्न पीरियड। तो हम आज शॉर्ट आंसर से करेंगे। हमारा क्वेश्चन है Why is the modern period in India significant to the Indian people? हमारा आंसर है The modern period in India is significant to the Indian people as this period awake to their rights to freedom. They strove for freedom and unity and finally become independence in 1947. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 करते हैं। How are newspaper important as a literary source? आंसर है Newspaper are another important literary resource. They are very important as they capture the spirit of the time. The newspaper carry news, cartoons, letter, etc. Many newspapers have kept their old editor in the form of microfilm in archive. Question number 3. Why do we divided history into different periods? हमारा आंसर है We do so in an attempt to capture the characteristics of a time, its central feature as they appear to us. So the term through which we periodize, that is democrate. The difference between periods become important. They reflect our ideas about the past. Question number 4 करते हैं। What do we understand by the term of colonialism? आंसर है the practice by which a powerful country control another country or countries in the order of it to become richer. Question number 5. Why did the British introduce a special kind of mapping? Answer है the British introduced a special kind of mapping in India called the Great Trigonometrical Survey of India. The objective of this survey was to create more accurate maps of India so as to lead a better decomposition of British territories in India. तो हमारे शॉर्ट आंसर खत्म हो गए हैं। अब हम लॉन्ग करेंगे। हमारा लॉन्ग का क्वेश्चन है Why did the British preserve official document? Why did they undertake surveying and mapping on a large scale? हमारा आंसर है The British preserve official document to maintain strict control over the administration action. We are well documented. This practice create administration culture of letter and reports. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 करते हैं। हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट आर डेट्स इन हिस्ट्री? हमारा आंसर है डेट्स आर इम्पोर्टेंट एज दे नोट व्हेन सेंट्रल इवेंट हैपन. दिस इज वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट बिकॉज हिस्ट्री इज रिकॉर्ड chronologically. It help to know that one event happened before another event so that one can extreme the relationship between event. Dates are served to mark period in history. तो दोस्तों आज की वीडियो यहीं ख़त्म करते हैं। अगर हमारी वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो हमारे वीडियो को लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और कमेंट करना ना भूलिएगा। तो आज के लिए बाय बाय।